I'm Stephen Briscoe and I'm the owner of Valued Care Solutions, which is a consultancy business in health and social care, providing support and advice to providers in the health and social care market. I am part of the hosting team and I'm a facilitator for the health inequalities subgroup. The health inequalities subgroup was set up by the hosting team to have a look at the health inequalities in West Lancashire and how we could look at a different way of coming together to affect positive change and some real good enterprise outcomes. Part of the health group from the main event, what we found within the main event is we came up with two very specific areas that we would like to start to explore and have a look at, and those were isolation and loneliness. We felt that covered a lot of the health inequalities in West Lancashire. So the groups come together as a group of individual organisations through the voluntary sector, the public sector and the private sector to co-connect and have a look at how we can affect some positive change. The magic ingredients to the lab have been, for me, have been the positivity from the actual group. It's very different. The one thing that's kept me intrigued and really interested in the group is that it's not your traditional set of structured outcomes. It's very much a case of looking at exploring and investigating what we have as assets and where we can go with those assets. And I'm really looking forward to the next few months and seeing where this project and the experiment goes. One of the ideas is really capturing what outcomes come from this as well. And by that is capturing those outcomes as they appear, instead of having them already predetermined where we're going with them. It's actually capturing them as we appear, so that in the end, when we come to the conclusion at that stage, we can then go back and say to people, there is a different way of doing things, and this is the way that we can do it. The most exciting thing about the lab for me has been watching myself and everybody involved in it grow, and the positivity of that growth, being that it really has been inspiring to be around this project and this group, because of the difference in its approach and the difference that the change is going to be at the end.